One of the things we're really proud of is our gender neutral products, and that really started with our skin reboot. The patented day and night moisturizer is great for men as well as women. It's a nice matte finish with a cooling effect, and it's really seamless on the skin. But it really locks in moisture, giving any skin a well-hydrated, even look. Now with Geri, he has a little bit of under eye dark circles, so we're going to use a little bit of the seamless concealer. We don't want to have the look of makeup when it comes to men, but men still might get a blemish, they might have dark circles, and they still want to look their best. Now Geri's skin, I'm going to take the concealer and mix it with the foundation to cover some of the darkness he has on the upper lids. So a little bit goes a long way, and again, using a little bit of concealer on a blemish, on dark circles, or just times when you just want to have that little bit more even skin tone is perfect.